Here is a video about scale drawing and bearings. We've got John here, he starts and takes bearings. A farm is on a bearing of 47 degrees. So let's make that. So first thing we do is we'll have our north line. So this will be it there, make an N for north and J for John. It's a bearing of 47 degrees. So what I'm going to do is line this up, go around to 47 degrees, starting at 0. So 47 degrees is about here. Okay. Also, while I'm here, I might as well do the bearing for 156 for this part here. So that's around here. Okay, that's the angles done. So let's get rid of my protractor now. And now we need to do the measuring of the lengths. So the farm is 40 meters away at a scale of 1 centimeter, 5 meters. So I've got to do 40 divided by 8, so that's 8 centimeters. So let's bring in my ruler and start it at the J and go through the point that we've just made. There we go, and let's draw a line that is 8 centimeters long. Okay, there's my line that's 8 centimeters long. And then for the other one, the gate is 35 meters away. So 35 divided by 5 is 7, so I need a line that's 7 centimeters long going through that dot that I made. Okay, let's bring this line over here, which I've pre-measured. Okay, there we go. Line of 7 centimeters. Let's label these. So we're going to have F for farm and G for gate. Now, the question asked is how far is the gate from the farm? So I'm going to use my ruler again, and this time measure the distance between F and G. So the end of that line to the end of this one here, you see that is approximately 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters on the scale. Now, it's 1 centimeter, 5 meters. So to find the real one, I'm going to do 12 times 5, and that gives me 60 meters. So how far is the gate from the farm is 60 meters.